and salary. Now we will write a program to execute if this condition is true. System.exit, here 0. We'll pass 0 as a parameter to close the program. And if this validation condition is false, then we update the salary successfully. Here this dot salary is equals to salary. And why we have written this in validation? To ensure that the salary is never decreased or set incorrectly in the real life business rules. Okay, so now let's move to build a toString method. So what it will do, the toString method will simply print the employee details in a readable format. Here we have written string, so string should be the return type. Employee, here ID, name, and salary. Now let's move to the main class, the employee salary. This is the ELC class and the main method execution point of the program. So it is compulsory to write a void main method in the ELC class. So here what we will do, we'll take the inputs from user like ID, name and salary with the help of IO class. So here id.integer.parseInt and io.readln io. So why we are using this method? Because this method is easy to access or to take the data from the user, and from Java 25 we can use this method rather than using the scanner class. We can easily take the data from the user in a simple short line. Same goes for the name. Here string name is equals to io.readln. Why we haven't taken the string.parseString? Because the return type of the io.readln method is string. Here we are converting from string to parseInt. The help of parseInt, we are converting the string into integer type. And same goes for other data types like long, character, not character, no, also character, and double, float. So in the name of long, we will take parse and long, parse long io.readln. Then we create, after this, enter your salary. Then we create an object of the BLC class and pass the input values to the constructor. So here we have written BLC Scott is equals to new BLC, and let's just check how many parameters we are having. So here the number of parameters are 3. So int id, name and salary. Now I will write the ir.println method to print the values of the employee. What it will do, it will call the toString method of the BLC class. Now the incremented salary, from by how much amount we are going to increment the salary. So here we will call the toString method using the help of. Now first we will set the value. So what we'll do, we'll call the set method, and first we will get the previous salary and add this salary with the incremented salary. So with the help of scott.get salary, we will get the previous salary and plus the incremented amount. So what it will do, it will add the current salary and the incremented amount. Now we will call the toString method of the BLC class, ir.println and scott. So let's run the program. So here enter id 1, name Ravi, and salary assume 50,000. So salary is not getting updated. Where is the mistake? I think the salary. So I think here. The constructor. So here we have a written mistake, small written mistake. So yep, I think the code looks fine. Let's run again. Raj and 5 lakhs. The salary is 5 lakh and incremented salary 25. Okay, the salary is getting updated. Let's again run the program. So here the ID is 1, name is Ravi, and the salary is 5 lakhs. So here the values are print, employee name, ID and name and salary printed, and increment salary 25,000. So yeah. So this finally we print the updated employee details. The program shows no errors, and the program clearly demonstrates encapsulation by using private variables, providing control access through getters and setters, and applying validation logic inside the setter method.